Running late and still looking for the car keys? Wouldn't it be great to have your smartphone do its job for you? Digitalize your car key today for 24/7 access control. Moki. Digitalize your car key in seconds. Introducing moki, the revolution of digital car access without hassle. It's effortless. Just slide your existing key into moki and store safely inside your vehicle. Entry access to your car has never been simpler with moki. Moki connects effortlessly via Bluetooth 5.0. We use precision-manufactured molds and tailored motors that match to your exact key model. Designed to execute button pressure with accuracy. Experience seamless control and new convenience with moki. Is manual app control too much hassle? Say hello to Auto Access mode. With Auto Access, experience automatic unlocking based on your radius preset. Once your smartphone moves out of range, moki auto-locks your vehicle, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Did you forget to bring your keys as promised? Authorize guest access then and there on the app. Wherever you are in the world, share digital car access with those you trust. Check battery usage through the app and get notified when recharging is required. Simply connect using a USB Type-C cable for charging. With built-in rechargeable batteries, moki runs for up to 40 days. Planning to park your car for an extended period? Retrieve the key easily and store it yourself until you need moki again. In a sticky situation and need your physical key? Convert your key back in 3 seconds without any damage. Pass your physical key to your valet parker or mechanic without fuss. Add car entry to the list of things your smartphone can do. Drive with ease, without complications. Moki.